February 3rd, 2026. Mr. Heater Little Buddy and Mr. Heater Buddy. Limited to 4,000 BTUs, no adjustable switch. 4 to 9,000 BTUs. And we've added this little fan. It works off of heat, but I can see some wiring in there. I'm not quite sure exactly how that thing produces. I figured the heat might just turn it, but evidently there's more going on. We'll have to check that out and understand that technology. We got both of these on, well, we got this one on low. We have this one on low. This one is just its setting. Both of them do very well. A little bit different uses. This is, a smaller area. Now in the van, I don't have hardly any insulation, maybe a little bit in there. This will cool, this will heat. If it's not too cold, this little one will heat it. This one will heat the whole inside that fan, even if it's pretty cold, if I turn it up on 9,000 BTU. But both of them are very convenient, very well built. I think that's about a 14-hour run time, maybe an 8-hour run time on this one, and a 14-hour run time. Does that make, that doesn't sound like it's making sense, does it? I'll have to figure that out and do another video of that. But and we can hook a propane tank. I guess you could probably hook it to either one, but this one is made for more portable. But yeah, with this and the filter, Mr. Buddy hose, and then the filter. I showed the filter the other night. It's probably in here somewhere. Where is that filter? Here is the filter. You want this filter if you're going to use the tank and the hose. From what my research has determined, that propane will leach some of the chemicals out of that rubber hose and clog up the burners, or the nozzle, I guess. So you want to make sure you use that filter with that. We've got a short already uploaded. We'll get this one uploaded and maybe combine something else with it just for entertainment value. Like I say, in this big shop, that doesn't do a whole lot of good, but it does keep my feet warm right here. Of course, we can keep it warm. We've got the torpedo heater over there. Of course, Shop Cat, I think, is in her heated house. She has her own little heated house there. Frank's El Camino 454 full-block main project, fixing the head gasket on his. Mine is just sitting here where I sleep. Okay, it's about a 4-minute video. Yeah, we do have this waste oil heater up here too, 315. And so when it gets down real cold, we can stay warm. Okay, let's find some other interesting stuff just to tack on to the end of this and then upload this one and get it going. And we will tie this one to the short that we uploaded just a while ago. Saturday, the 19th of July. Bumblebee's moving slow this morning. They may have spent the night here on this flower. Waiting for the sun to warm him up, him or her. Hang on, that sun will be here for too long. Warm you up where you can take off. Okay, the El Camino decided to go for a swim today, and it took me with it. We're trying to move it to the shop. No brakes. Trying to do it with the chain. It got loose. Loose like a goose. We're going to leave them alone right now. We're going to go get a hamburger, cheeseburger at the store. historic Burton's Ferry, Turnstile Bridge, Savannah River, South Carolina side. We're going to go over to the Georgia side, get some video, pictures, maybe do some fishing with Vienna sausage or Spam. That's the only thing we have to fish with. Looking upstream of the Savannah River, turning and looking back downstream towards Savannah. Methodist Church and Cemetery, Monticello, Georgia, September 6, 2024. We'll be adding some to this and create a short here in Monticello, Georgia.